兄弟，端午节到了 ，Let's go to eat some 粽子。
I know a place where 粽子 are both 香硬 and delicious. In Sichuan dialect, 香硬 means cheap.
This is Chengdu's famous Zongzi Street, the history dating back to 1980s.
这边看哈，开粽子吗？
你好，你好，帅哥，来开粽子嘛？
哇，真的太好吃了。
Look at you. 我老我下的。
虾 ？Is there a shrimp in the 粽子？
No, no, no. In Sichuan dialect, 我老我下 means you are starving.
哇，都是娘娘 say that I look so handsome and treat me to a lot of 粽子。
耶，你娃吃起头吃安逸了哈。
啊，起头 ？What do you want to say, man?
In Sichuan dialect, 吃起头 means getting something for free.
学会四川话，粽子带回家。